Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about orange juice, and I want us to pay attention as I'll be sharing with us the health benefits of taking orange juice. And today I have about 30 something oranges and one lemon. I'm going to add a single lemon to the whole orange in the basket here, and I want you to stay back to watch how I juice this orange out. I'm using a very small orange juicer. It's just a small rechargeable orange juicer, and it has been helpful to me because I can use, after charging it, I can use it to juice about 30 oranges, 30 to 35 oranges at most. Then it goes off. At least juicing 30 to 35 oranges is okay with the price, and I'm okay with it. I'm just okay with it. Before I begin to share the health benefits of this juice, please, if you are watching my video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Help me grow. I need you to grow. And to my old subscribers, don't forget to like, comment, and also let me know what you think about this. Thank you. The vitamin C in oranges helps your body in lots of ways. It protects your cells from damages. It helps your body make collagen, a protein that heals wounds and gives you smoother skin. It makes it easier to absorb iron to fight anemia. It also boosts your immune system, your body's defense against germs. It slows the advance of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss. It also helps to fight cancer causing free radicals. I want to also bring to our notice that aside the sweetness we get from drinking citrus juice, there are a lot of health benefits we can gain from this particular juice. If you want your skin to glow, take more of citrus juice and other fruits. Also, don't forget that water also does wonders to our body. You don't need to spend much money buying expensive cream. You don't need to spend much money buying skin toner. You don't need any skin toner. All you need is taking a lot of fruits and vegetables and also water. Please do this citrus juice. Take it as much as you can. There is nothing like preservative. It's just direct. You know what you are putting into your mouth. There is no any sweetener. There is no preservative. So this is a very clean and pure orange juice, and this will help your skin to glow. It will also help to tone your skin. Now I'm pouring the orange juice which I've gotten from the first batch into a container, and I'm going to keep it aside while I proceed to juice the remaining oranges. Please don't always wait to have everything you need before you start whatsoever you want to start. There are better juicer to use, but this is the one I have presently for juicing this orange. So there are other smaller juicers. Even if you don't have a manual juicer, you can also use your hand to squeeze the orange. And if you don't even want to squeeze it, make sure you take a lot of oranges. Peel and drink your oranges. Whatsoever way you want to do it, all I want you to know is that just take your orange juice. If you like, you take it directly. If you like, you juice it. Whatsoever way you want to take it, just take it. Take enough fruits. Thanks for watching. See you some other time when I post my next video.